The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most advanced eye in the cosmos, has just unveiled a jaw-dropping spectacle that's left astronomers and stargazers alike reeling in awe. Far out in the icy reaches of our solar system, beyond the fiery glow of Mars, past the swirling storms of Jupiter, something absolutely cataclysmic has happened. A colossal object, a cosmic juggernaut, slammed into Neptune, the enigmatic ice giant that lingers at the edge of our planetary neighborhood. For the first time in history, a telescope has captured the raw, unfiltered aftermath of a massive collision on one of the solar system's most distant worlds. This isn't just a fleeting moment of cosmic drama. It's a wake-up call, forcing us to rethink everything we thought we knew about the violent, chaotic nature of our universe. Before diving into this mind-blowing discovery, smash that like button and subscribe for more cosmic updates that'll keep you on the edge of your seat. The story begins with a routine observation, one of many in the telescope's mission to peel back the mysteries of the ice giants. Neptune, with its deep blue clouds and swirling storms, was under scrutiny for its seasonal shifts, a slow dance of atmospheric changes that unfold over decades. But what the telescope captured was anything but routine. Its infrared eyes, sharper than anything humanity has ever built, detected something extraordinary, bright chaotic splotches of light erupting across Neptune's surface. These weren't the usual methane-rich bands of gas that give the planet its serene, ethereal glow. No, these were violent, searing signatures of disruption, hot spots glowing with thermal energy, pulsing with the aftermath of something massive. The data screamed of an event so powerful it could only be one thing: a colossal impact, a cosmic collision unlike anything witnessed in our lifetime. Picture this: an object, possibly a rogue asteroid, or a chunk of icy debris from the distant Kuiper Belt, hurtling through the void at speeds that defy imagination. Estimates suggest this intruder could have been tens of kilometers wide, maybe even larger, a behemoth barreling through space with the force of 1,000 comets. When it smashed into Neptune's dense atmosphere, it unleashed an explosion of energy that rivals the combined might of every nuclear warhead on Earth, millions of times over. The impact wasn't just a graze. It punched through the planet's upper layers, sending shockwaves rippling across its icy blue clouds. The atmosphere churned, twisted, and erupted in a symphony of chaos, revealing glimpses of Neptune's hidden depths that have never been seen before. This wasn't just a fleeting scar on the planet's surface. It was a wound that exposed the raw, dynamic heart of an ice giant. The telescope's infrared instruments painted a vivid picture of the aftermath. Bright spots flared where the impactor struck, surrounded by swirling patterns of heat and turbulence. These weren't random flickers. They were evidence of an energy release so immense it temporarily rewrote the planet's weather systems. Clouds of debris, vaporized remnants of the impactor, billowed outward, mixing with Neptune's methane-heavy atmosphere. For the first time, scientists could see material from the planet's deeper layers thrust upward, offering a rare window into its chemical makeup. Complex hydrocarbons, molecules that could hint at the building blocks of life in other contexts, appeared in the wake of the collision, forged in the crucible of extreme heat and pressure. This wasn't just a destructive event. It was a cosmic laboratory, creating compounds that might echo the chemistry of the early solar system. The scale of this event is almost impossible to grasp. Neptune, a planet 30 times farther from the Sun than Earth, is a world of crushing pressures and frigid temperatures where high noon feels like twilight. Its atmosphere, rich in methane, ammonia, and water ice, is a turbulent realm of supersonic winds and massive storms. Yet even this mighty giant was shaken by the impact. The shockwave didn't just disrupt the surface. It reached deep into the planet's interior, potentially stirring its mysterious core. Scientists have long puzzled over Neptune's internal heat, which radiates far more energy than the planet receives from the Sun. Could impacts like this one, rare but catastrophic, be part of the answer? The energy injected by this collision might linger for centuries, subtly altering the planet's thermal heartbeat and reshaping its atmospheric dynamics. But the implications go far beyond Neptune itself. This collision challenges everything we thought we knew about the outer solar system. For decades, astronomers assumed the regions around Neptune and Uranus were quiet, frozen wastelands, disturbed only by the slow grind of orbital mechanics. This event shatters that illusion. The Kuiper Belt, a vast ring of icy bodies beyond Neptune, may be far more active than we ever imagined. If objects this large can be dislodged and sent careening into planets, it suggests a solar system still teeming with chaos, where gravitational tugs from unseen forces, perhaps a hidden Planet 9 or a passing star, can unleash devastation on a planetary scale. The idea that such events are possible forces us to confront a chilling reality. Our solar system is not a static museum, but a dynamic, unpredictable arena where cosmic violence still reigns. The telescope's data also revealed something astonishing about Neptune's magnetic field. Already one of the strangest in the solar system, tilted at a bizarre 47-degree angle and offset from the planet's center, this field was thrown into disarray by the impact. Charged particles from the collision supercharged the magnetosphere, igniting auroras far brighter and more widespread than any seen before. Unlike Earth's auroras, which dance at the poles, Neptune's glowed across its mid-latitudes, a dazzling display of cosmic fireworks. These auroras weren't just beautiful, they were a treasure trove of data, offering clues about how magnetic fields respond to sudden, violent shocks. For scientists studying exoplanets, this is a goldmine. Understanding how Neptune's magnetosphere reacted could help decode the faint signals of distant worlds, where auroras might hint at habitable conditions or violent histories. The collision's effects didn't stop at the planet's atmosphere or magnetic field. Neptune's delicate system of moons and rings felt the impact too. Tiny moons like Naiad and Thalassa, orbiting perilously close to the planet, may have been nudged ever so slightly off course. Even a small shift in their orbits could cascade over centuries, reshaping the intricate gravitational dance of Neptune's satellite system. Some models suggest that smaller moonlets might eventually crash into the planet or be flung into the void, becoming rogue objects wandering the solar system. The rings, already faint and ghostly compared to Saturn's, showed signs of disturbance as well. Ripples spread through the dusty arcs, offering a rare chance to study their composition and density. Could these rings, long thought to be stable, be reshaped by such events? The possibility that Neptune's rings are transient, sculpted by impacts like this one, rewrites our understanding of planetary ring systems. The debris cloud from the collision was another revelation. As it spread, it scattered light in ways that allowed scientists to analyze its composition. Spectral signatures hinted at exotic ices and minerals, some potentially unique to the early solar system. These materials, preserved in deep freeze for billions of years, could hold secrets about the conditions that prevailed when the sun and planets were born. For the first time, humanity has a chance to study the raw ingredients of our cosmic neighborhood without sending a probe billions of miles away. The impactor itself remains a mystery. Was it a comet, an asteroid, or something stranger, like a fragment of a long-lost dwarf planet? Some even speculate it could be an interstellar interloper, a rogue body captured briefly by the sun's gravity before meeting its fiery end. If true, this would be the first evidence of an extraterrestrial object colliding with a planet in our solar system, a discovery that would redefine our understanding of how solar systems interact with the galaxy at large. This event also raises profound questions about the long-term evolution of ice giants like Neptune and Uranus. For years, scientists have debated why these planets look and behave the way they do. Their tilted axes, offset magnetic fields, and dynamic atmospheres have long been attributed to slow, internal processes. But what if collisions like this one are a missing piece of the puzzle? A single impact of this magnitude could alter a planet's rotation, stir its interior, or even reshape its moons and rings. If such events occur even once every few million years, they could be a driving force in the evolution of ice giants, leaving scars that linger for eons. This collision is a reminder that planets are not static. They are living, breathing worlds, constantly reshaped by the forces of the cosmos. The telescope's ability to capture this event in such vivid detail is nothing short of a technological miracle. Previous observatories, even the mighty Hubble, might have missed it entirely, or caught only faint echoes of the aftermath. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its unparalleled infrared sensitivity, saw the collision unfold in real time. It tracked the spread of heat, the dispersal of debris, and the ripples of atmospheric turbulence with a clarity that left scientists speechless. This wasn't just a snapshot. It was a front-row seat to a cosmic drama, a chance to watch the universe in action. The data pouring in is already fueling supercomputer simulations as researchers race to reconstruct the collision's every detail. How fast was the impactor moving? What was its composition? How deeply did it penetrate Neptune's atmosphere? Each answer unlocks new questions, pushing the boundaries of what we believe is possible in our solar system. The collision also carries a sobering message for humanity. If an event this catastrophic can strike Neptune, a planet we thought was safe in its distant orbit, what does that mean for Earth? Our planet has been shaped by impacts in the past. Think of the dinosaur-killing asteroids 66 million years ago. But we've long assumed such events are rare in the modern solar system. This discovery suggests otherwise. The Kuiper Belt, once thought to be a quiet graveyard of icy relics, may be a ticking time bomb, capable of flinging massive objects toward the inner planets. While Neptune's collision is a rare event on human timescales, it's a stark reminder that the universe operates on its own terms, indifferent to our sense of safety. The same forces that sculpted the early solar system, collisions, gravitational chaos, and violent upheavals are still at work, and Earth is not immune. This event has also sparked a renewed push for exploration. Neptune and Uranus, the solar system's ice giants, have been largely ignored since Voyager 2's brief flyby in 1989. That single visit gave us tantalizing glimpses of their mysteries, but left countless questions unanswered. The collision has reignited calls for a dedicated mission to Neptune, an orbiter or probe equipped with instruments to study its atmosphere, magnetic field, and moons in unprecedented detail. Imagine a spacecraft that could map the impact site, analyze the debris, or even detect seismic ripples from the collision. Such a mission could unlock secrets not just about Neptune, but about the countless ice giants that dominate planetary systems across the galaxy. After all, exoplanet surveys suggest that Neptune-like worlds are among the most common in the universe, making this collision a key to understanding our cosmic neighbors. The philosophical weight of this discovery is impossible to ignore. For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars, imagining them as fixed and eternal. But events like this remind us that the universe is anything but static. Planets can be scarred, moons reshaped, atmospheres rewritten in an instant. The collision on Neptune is a testament to the restless, ever-changing nature of the cosmos, where creation and destruction are two sides of the same coin. It forces us to confront our own fragility, living on a small, rocky world in a universe full of chaos and wonder. Yet it also fills us with hope, showing that even in the cold, distant reaches of space, there are stories waiting to be told, stories of violence, beauty, and the relentless march of cosmic evolution. As scientists continue to analyze the data, new revelations are emerging every day. The debris cloud is still spreading, its particles scattering light in ways that reveal more about Neptune's atmosphere than ever before. The auroras, though fading, are still being tracked, offering insights into the planet's magnetic mysteries. The rings and moons, subtly altered by the impact, are under constant observation, as astronomers watch for signs of long-term change. Supercomputers are running non-stop, modeling the collision's effects on everything from Neptune's internal structure to its orbital dynamics. Each new finding adds another layer to the story, painting a picture of a planet transformed by a single, fleeting moment of cosmic violence. This discovery is more than a scientific milestone. It's an emotional journey. It's a reminder of how small we are in the grand sweep of the universe, yet how powerful our tools have become. The James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of human ingenuity, has given us a window into a world we could barely imagine a generation ago. It's shown us that even in the farthest reaches of our solar system, there are dramas unfolding that challenge our understanding and ignite our curiosity. This collision on Neptune isn't just a story about a distant planet. It's a story about us, about our relentless drive to explore, to understand, and to find meaning in the chaos of the cosmos. What makes this event so gripping is its immediacy. Unlike ancient craters on the Moon or Mars, which tell stories billions of years old, this collision happened in our time, under the watchful gaze of our most advanced telescope. It's a rare chance to witness the universe in action, to see the same forces that shaped our world billions of years ago still at work today. The impact site on Neptune, still glowing with residual heat, is a fresh wound, a living testament to the power of cosmic collisions.